Do you know the number one thing every online marketer needs to be successful? The one thing that is probably preventing you from making any real money online. If you guessed traffic, you're right. Welcome to Traffic Blaster, the one and only 100% done-for-you traffic and business in a box. The best-kept secret in the make money online and business opportunity niche. You're about to get instant access to thousands of real buyers and biz op seekers on 100% autopilot every single day. Oh, and did I mention it will be for the fraction of the cost of traditional advertising? That's right. I'm talking about solo ads, Google ads, Bing ads, Facebook ads, and any other form of paid traffic. The best part is you don't have to spend any time or money figuring out how to use these complex platforms. This is a true set and forget traffic source that you could count on to deliver results. Hey there, my partner Sean and I are founders of Traffic Blaster. We've been marketing online for 5 years now and have been able to reach true financial freedom. We have achieved this with 2 simple principles: mastering traffic and the ability to find proven offers that convert. Traffic is the backbone of any online business, but it's difficult to figure out, and most people have a hard time seeing any positive return on investment. Take, for example, Google AdWords. The cost per click on the top page of Google for making money online is $4.90 per click. As you can see, marketing online with paid ads is not cheap and is only rising in cost. Now that you see what kind of uphill battle you're against, let's show you how Traffic Blaster can benefit you. With our buyer and verified BizOp seeker traffic, and how we can deliver you this traffic every single day on autopilot. Step 1. Become a member of Traffic Blaster. Step 2. Submit a free rotator link that you'd like us to send fresh buyers and BizOp seekers to. Step 3. We'll add your link into the Traffic Blaster rotator with other Traffic Blaster members and BizOp seekers. Step 4. 2 emails every single day will be sent from our own autoresponders and reach thousands of Traffic Blaster members and BizOp seekers. When they click the link in the email, it will be sent to your offer. Once you join Traffic Blaster, you will only have to submit your rotator link one time, then sit back and watch the sales roll in. And check this out. There are new Traffic Blaster members and fresh visitors coming in every single day, meaning that your offer will always have fresh eyeballs interested in what you're offering. Remember, we have new traffic coming into Traffic Blaster daily. This highly targeted traffic will be sent to you on 100% autopilot. With what we're offering here, we could easily charge $59.99 a month. It would be worth the investment, and once we get Traffic Blaster to a certain point, the price will go up. Since you're here today and watching this video, we're going to offer you this amazing traffic source for only $9.90 a month. When the price increases soon, you'll be locked in that deeply discounted price. Remember what we said before. The cost for one click on the top page of Google is $4.90 per click for the make money online niche. You would only be able to get 2 clicks for the price we're charging you today. After spending thousands of dollars on Google AdWords, we've realized that most people visiting your page are not verified BizOp seekers, let alone real buyers. But with Traffic Blaster, you are guaranteed to receive 100% buyer and BizOp seeker traffic. Think about it like this. How many sales do you need to break even? With most offers, you will only need 1 sale to recoup your investment. That means every sale after that point will be pure profit. Simply choose between one of our members' proven offers or use an offer you're currently promoting. Imagine getting 100, 200, or even 300 plus clicks per month for only $9.90. The potential here is truly unlimited. Now here's the best part of being a member of Traffic Blaster. We offer all of our members the ability to share this amazing opportunity with others and earn a 50% monthly residual income. You will be able to use this exact page to promote Traffic Blaster to thousands of potential customers. A true business in a box that you can get started for only $9.90. Oh, and here's the crazy part. If you sign up today, we'll give you instant access to 8 additional bonuses at a value of over $2,800. I'm sure by now you see this offer is too good to pass up. You really don't have anything to lose here with Traffic Blaster. However, if you're not completely satisfied with everything you're receiving, feel free to cancel at any time. No questions asked. It's time to decide. 1. You pick up this once-in-a-lifetime deal for only $9.90 and get locked before we increase the price. Or 2. You let this opportunity pass you by and get it at a higher price once you see people killing it with Traffic Blaster Online. Click the button below to take advantage of this amazing offer, and we'll see you inside.